The number of traditional and alternative lenders available today makes it difficult for small businesses to locate the best options for their needs and qualifications. You can visit a local bank or apply to one of the many online funders. Services like Lendesca aim to reduce the guesswork and time-consuming research of finding a funder. Business owners can apply to the service once, and it tries to pair you with the best lender for your needs. However, Lendesca might not be suitable for every small business. Some business owners prefer working with a direct funder. Others might want a full-fledged marketplace that provides additional services. We can help you decide if Lendesca is right for your business by covering the benefits, drawbacks, and application process. What is Lendesca? Lendesca is a small business loan connection service. The company helps match potential borrowers to the lenders in its network. Small business owners seeking funding up to $350,000 can apply to the service to see their available lender and loan options. Once paired, applicants will complete the application process with the lender. The service launched in 2021. It's based in the United States. How does Lendesca work? The service helps connect small business owners seeking funding between $5,000 and $350,000 to lenders that match their qualifications. You provide information about your business, and the company analyzes it to find the financial institution where you will most likely qualify. Once it makes the introduction, the lender you match with takes over the remainder of the process. You'll complete the lender's application and provide any necessary documentation for underwriting to receive funding. If approved, the lender services the loan. Lendesca can help business owners find the following small business loans. All listed terms and rates are approximations, as it depends on the lender you work with. Accounts receivable financing converts unpaid invoices into immediate working capital. It can help businesses that sell on credit who struggle with cash flow due to the delay between issuing an invoice and receiving payment. The funder who Lendesca matches you with will most likely be an invoice factoring company. It will issue the advance amount for a percentage of the invoice's value, up to 80%. The factoring company then owns the debt and collects payment from your customers. Once payment is received, it issues the remaining amounts minus its fees. Factoring fees are also called discount rates because the factoring company purchases your invoices at a discounted rate in exchange for an immediate cash advance. It is technically not a loan but a business-to-business transaction. A business line of credit provides business funding on demand. You get an available credit limit and can draw funds as needed. You only pay interest on the funds you draw. The service's lender partners offer revolving lines or credit. That means it's like a credit card where your available credit limit replenishes as you repay what you used. What are the qualifications for Lendesca? It doesn't publish a minimum credit score requirement because it depends on the lending product and lender. The company states its lenders also look at your business credit score if available. The company suggests you should meet the following minimums. Time in business. At least 3 months and some startup funding might be available. Annual revenue. At least $50,000. Net operating income. At least 1.25 more than your expenses. For Lendesca, you need to know that it is not a direct lender but rather a business loan referral service. Once it connects you with a lender, its job is done. Everything else is between you and the loan provider. There is no application or service fee. This suggests that Lendesca makes money from referral fees that lenders pay them. However, if you proceed with funding from the lender, watch for any additional fees added to the loan agreement. The company only performs a soft credit pull when you apply, which won't affect your credit score. However, the funder it matches you with might do a hard credit check, which could impact your credit score. Lendesca does not appear to have a business loan affiliate program. It is already a referral service, so that might be why. However, ISOs and business loan brokers can still contact them to inquire about using the connection service. How to apply to Lendesca. The application process is very quick and easy. Follow these steps to apply. Step 1. Fill out the form. The website provides a simple sign-up form that asks for information about you, your business, and your funding needs. It uses data encryption to secure your information. Step 2. Get paired. Once you submit the form, the connection service will try to find a funding provider. It's possible to get a match within minutes of applying. Step 3. Work with the provider. Once paired, Lendesca's role in the process ends, and you'll work with the funder to complete the loan application. The company claims it only works with the most respectable lenders. What are the advantages of Lendesca? The primary advantage of Lendesca is that it helps you find lenders where you might qualify without having to research them on your own. It sends your information to the lender to start the process, making it easier to finalize your loan request once it pays you. The application process is quick and straightforward. You could get paired with a lender the same day you apply. Many of the lenders and loan products provide fast funding. Alternative funding options like merchant cash advances are much easier to qualify for, which is why there's no minimum credit score requirement. What are the disadvantages of Lendesca? Lendesca is not a direct funder nor a lending marketplace. It is a referral service that doesn't help beyond connecting to a lender. Since its role ends after making the connection, it cannot provide eligibility information. Most of the terms and rates listed are approximations as it depends on the lender, loan, and your qualifications. Several of the products carry higher rates than traditional financing. That's the trade-off for accessibility and speed of funding. The connection service only helps small business owners seeking $350,000 or less. There are no options for higher borrowing amounts. Pros and cons. Pros. Helps find lenders where you're most likely to get approved. Quick and easy application process. It's possible to get paired with a lender the same day you apply. Several fast funding options. No minimum credit score is required to apply. Cons. Not a direct lender or lending marketplace. It doesn't provide any service beyond pairing you with a lender. Cannot give accurate estimates on rates and fees. Several products are more expensive than traditional funding. Funding options through its lender network only go up to $350,000.